In the far north, the peaks rise out of the sea. A small island country right out there where nothing ought to be. The volcanic mountains have, through the ages, become covered by a green carpet, which we call grass. In the high, wind-swept cliffs, all sorts of birds build nests and live in all kinds of weather. So they have, since time immemorial. They were here quite on their own until about 1500 years ago, when a few Irish hermit monks chose to sail all the way up here. A millennium ago, Norse Vikings settled the islands. Today, the Faroe Islanders, 50,000 in all, have gathered in villages and towns by the sea, where they make a living mostly out of fish. But they're heavily outnumbered by about twice as many sheep, which eat all the green grass growing here and give the people wool and meat in return. For centuries, this is what the people lived on: sheep, fowl, and fish. Nowadays, the Faroe Islands are connected to the continent by air and sea routes. Anyone can choose to travel out here, but here, nature rules. The weather doesn't always behave the way you want it to, and it always has the last word. If you decide to visit these remote isles, you may also experience elves, trolls, ogres, hags, magic fog, and ogling crags. The islands are still standing out here, waiting to enchant you. They haven't moved much for the past few million years. Welcome to the Faroe Islands.